Are you the type of woman who has no problem talking to guys anywhere out and about, but when you meet a guy that you really like, you turn into this? Hey there, what's going on? This, my sexy single lady, is what we call man mush brain. It's when you are around a guy that you are really attracted to and suddenly your brain turns to mush and you have no idea how to act. Well, fear not, you sexy single ladies, because from this point forward, you will never have to deal with man mush brain ever again, because I'm gonna teach you the 3 Ps of how to act around a guy that you really like. And once you adopt this mindset, you are free to finally be that sexy single lady that is charming, that is confident, that is the type of woman that can attract any man she truly wants. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam LaDolce from Love Strategies, where we help successful single women get out there, find love, and do it with a proven strategy. And if you are truly ready to get out there and attract love, then I would love for you to check out loveapply.com. I have a team of love strategists where we would be happy to get on a phone call with you, understand some of your challenges in your love life, and if you are a fit, we'd be happy to invite you into my Love Accelerator coaching program, where I will walk with you personally and help you with your love life so you can finally attract that high quality man you truly deserve. Feel free to learn the entire 4-part framework at loveapply.com. Check it out. Now look, in my Love Accelerator coaching program, we do these group Zoom sessions every single week where I meet with all my clients. And whenever a woman struggles when talking to a guy, I talk about these 3 Ps, because these are the mindsets that you can bring to any situation and allow you to finally be that confident person. So let's get into the first P, the prize. This is the mentality where you are the prize that he is begging to win over. You have to remind yourself that whenever a guy is coming up and talking to you, you are the prize, not the other way around. You are not chasing him. You're not trying to get him to like you. He's trying to get you to like him. That is the mentality that you always need to remember. I had a client the other day who really struggles when it comes to going out on first dates. She's the type of person who gets in her head intensely, and every single time she goes on a big first date where she really likes the guy, she crumbles. It just falls completely apart. And she was asking me, Adam, what do I say on the first date? What do I do exactly? And of course, we have a lot of that stuff in Love Accelerator that can teach all that stuff, but I said, don't even think about that right now. You just need to go into this date remembering that you are the prize that he is begging to win over. And once you adopt this and say it to yourself before the first date, I know it's ridiculous, look yourself in the mirror and say, I am the prize that he is begging to win over. It's going to literally change every single conversation that you have. It's going to change your body language, the way you express yourself, the way that you position yourself as a high value woman. And once you actually deeply believe this on like a deep internal level, suddenly men will be pursuing you in ways you never knew possible before. The second P is to be playful. In Love Accelerator, we have a lot of very, very powerful, strong women. That is the type of woman we usually attract in this program. But those types of women find dating to be extremely difficult because they take it so freaking seriously. And that's the thing, dating is important. And in fact, the person you end up settling down with, that is the most important decision you'll ever make in your life. But you have to go about it in a way that is still playful. You can't be so serious and go on every single date as if it is a job interview. Are you the type of woman who wants to cut through all the BS and just get to the point and see if you are compatible with each other? Well, chances are you are not going to attract a lot of men. The way to act around a guy that you really like is to be playful, to enjoy yourself, to be curious about the world, to laugh a little bit, to goof around, to tease him. These are the types of things that are going to magnetically attract high quality men. And the third P is to pay attention. It's a normal human reaction when you really like someone to want to do a lot of the talking. You almost feel like you need to prove your worthiness to that person. So you're going to try to tell him your entire life story and try to go from when you were age 4 all the way to age 50, exactly what happened to you. But I want you to fight that urge just a little bit. And instead of doing all the talking, be comfortable sitting back a little bit and just pay attention to things he says. Ask him questions, get him talking. And one thing I've really learned is the easiest way to get someone to like you is to just get them talking about themselves. I've been in conversations with people where literally I didn't say a single word the entire time. And I'm just sitting back the whole time and they're talking. And at the end they say, wow, I feel really connected to you. And I'm thinking to myself, I didn't say a single freaking word. So if you are the type of person who freezes up around the guys that you really like, don't be afraid to step back a little bit and let him do a little bit of the talking, let him lead the conversation. So I want to hear from you in the comments below. Which one of these do you need to adopt the most? The prize, the playfulness, or the pay attention? Leave a comment right there below. And finally, if you are really serious about finding love, head on over to loveapply.com, where I can personally work with you and walk with you every single step of the way so that you attract that high quality man you truly deserve. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you haven't done it already, make sure you give this a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you just follow us so that you can get more content like this over the next year, because I assure you, we got a lot of good stuff coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you next week. Bye-bye.